If you haven't completed your Arichain Discord task, you have just 2 days. Just 2 days to go about this. Another thing is that so many individuals are having challenges in this Discord task. But in this video, I will show you the simplest way to go about this. Let me get my phone. So for easy access, open your S app and go to the search bar and search for Arichain. So on this their S page, you will see something like a link. Just click on the link and then tap on Ari Discord. It will take you directly to their Discord channel. Then go to Ari Chat. Just locate Ari Chat. So after clicking on it, it will bring you to this interface right here. So all you have to do is to type / on your keyboard. Then the first option that will come out, tap on it. Yes, this Ari account registration, just tap on it. So after it appears like this, all you have to do is to tap on send. Yes, click the send button. Then they will bring out registration form for you. It's similar to that of the wallet one we just did, but this one is a slightly different. So EVM address, remember the way we copied our EVM address at first place. So impute it there. Then your Twitter handle. You also impute your Twitter handle there. I've already shown you how to get it before. If you have forgotten how to get all those information, all you have to do is to go and watch the video I made about Arichain. The video I made about Arichain before this particular video you are watching. Go and watch the previous one and you will know how to go about it. So the next one is your Ari wallet. Your Arichain wallet. This one is the different one here. I will show you how to get this one on Arichain app. So head over to your Arichain wallet, then tap on receive. Yes, receive here. To bring out your address for you, just copy it and go and paste it. So after pasting it, tap on submit. So that's it, my people. This is how to do the Arichain new task, which is connecting your wallet both on the Arichain app and also on Discord. Please make sure you share this video to your community and friends so that they can know how to walk themselves through this task. And please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. See you on my next video.